Worried about dangerous wood shavings harming your pet? We are redefining safety standards for pet toys. Welcome to Thanh Tung Thinh, your premier global B2B partner for sustainable wooden pet and aquascaping products. With over 15 years of international export experience, Thanh Tung Thinh is now proudly trusted across 30+ countries. Powered by 3 modern factories and a steady capacity of over 5 containers per month, we are ready to scale with your business. From 100% natural, durable coffee wood, powered by advanced production lines, we easily handle high-volume orders with precision. We don't just manufacture, we bring your vision to life. Offering comprehensive OEM services, from custom design and sizing to bespoke retail packaging. Quality isn't just a promise, it's a process. At Thanh Tung Thinh, 100% of our products undergo strict moisture control to guarantee mold prevention.
Our humidity of our coffee wood dog chew take from 10% to 13%. You know what? If the humidity is very low, the coffee wood dog chew is easy to be cracked. And if the humidity is high, this product can be easily to mold.
Every edge is flawlessly sanded for a perfect, smooth finish. Meeting the most stringent export standards for the US, Europe, and Japan. Unmatched supply capacity. On-time delivery. Absolute OEM design confidentiality. We are the ultimate launchpad for your pet accessories brand to dominate the market. Elevate your brand today with Thanh Tung Thinh. Contact us now for free samples and the best factory direct wholesale quotes.